Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone messages not delivering. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you face this problem, the first thing you need to do is to click on the little red button next to your message and then click on the try again button. So if it doesn't work, the second thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner like this. Then you need to switch your internet connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to your Wi-Fi. So after that you need to click on the red button again, then try again, and then your problem, it can be one of the solutions of your problem. So if you still got this problem, the first thing you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings, here it is, and then at the top of your screen in the search bar you need to type date and time, and then click on the first option, here it is. After that you will see this interface. All you need to do is to enable set automatically option. So then the fourth thing you need to do is to type in the search bar iMessage, then click on the first one option. Then you will see this interface. First of all, you need to enable iMessage option, here it is, and then you need to click on the send and receive option, and then you will see your addresses. You need to check your phone number, you need to check your email address, and then if everything is correct, you need to go back to your iMessage application and then click on the try again, but it can be still doesn't work. You need to, after that you need to swipe from the bottom of the screen to the middle of the screen like this, and then you need to press and hold on the iMessage application and swipe it to the top of your screen like this. After that, open your iMessage application again and then try send this message again. So if it doesn't work, the last thing you need to do is to reload your iPhone system. So you need to tap and hold on the volume up button and then to power button. Then you will see interface, and then you need to turn off your phone, and after a few seconds you need to turn it on. So, and after that your problem will be fixed. So, and that's all, and that's how to fix iPhone messages not delivering. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.